and this is where you have to apply for this job role, and this is directly under the Accenture careers. And here you have to click in order to apply for this job role, and you can also register over here for getting the further job alerts. And you can share it to your friends also through this link. And the job role is new associate query management, and the location is Hyderabad. And the designation is new associate, and qualification any graduation, years of experience 0 to 1. And here you have something regarding the Accenture operations. In today's business environment, growth isn't just about building value, it's fundamental to long term business survival. So, how do organizations sustain themselves? The key is a new operating model, one that's anchored around the customer and propelled by intelligence to deliver exceptional experiences across the enterprise at speed and at a scale. You will deliver breakthrough business outcomes for clients by harnessing talent, data, and intelligence to revolutionize their operation models. Operations is one of four services that make up one Accenture, that others are strategy and consulting. The interactive and technology visit here for Accenture. What would you do when you join into this job role? What are the things that you have to like perform? You will be aligned with the customer support vertical and help us in managing resolving customers query, handling escalations and complaints of the dissatisfied customers, and giving best resolutions. You will also be responsible for closing the fault and complaints with SLAs, the query management team, in accountable for the inbound, outbound calls and email chat support to resolve customer issues. The role is aligned to our service desk non-voice support team, which is responsible for recording, diagnosing, troubleshooting, resolving, and assigning incidents and service requests based on defined scope of support. The team manages unplanned interruptions to restore normal service operations as quickly as possible for non-voice interactions like email, web, and chat. All the thing that you have to perform is aligned with the customer support. And what are they looking for is customer support management and adaptable and flexible. And you should be proficient in English because this is something related to customer service. It's mandatory to have the best communication skills. Roles and responsibilities. The most thing is problem solving and query management, and this is all through inbound calls and email support. You have to interact with the team and your direct supervisor. You will be given detailed instructions on all tasks that need to be carried out, and the decisions that you make will impact your work. You will need to be well versed with basic statistics and terms involved in the day to day business and use it while discussing with stakeholders. You will be working closely with project members to effectively deliver on requirements. You will be an individual contributor as a part of team with a predetermined focused scope of work. Please note this role may require you to work in rotational shifts. And just click here to apply. And if you have any sorts of queries, just drop them in the comment section. And before you quit, please support me by subscribing to this channel, and you will receive the best job notifications in my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.